Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna from newsborn.com and I've arrived to IIM Lucknow, who is celebrating their 25th anniversary in a very unique way. That unique way is they're having a leaders conclave. And which all leaders are here? Let's ask from Manish. Hello Manish.
Hello. Hi, I'm Manish Arora from IIM Lucknow.
Alright Manish, what is exactly going on right inside here?
So we are having one of the biggest event here. We are having our Summit 09, which is a part of our 25th year Silver Jubilee celebrations. We have the major dignitaries from the corporate world. We have Ms. Kalpana Morparia, CEO JP Morgan. We have Mr. Sandeep Pandey, Raman Magsaysay Award winner. We have Dr. Bisdeep Mitra, who is CEO Texas Instruments. We have Ms. Meera Sanyal, who is CEO ABN AMRO. We have Mr. Ajit Balakrishnan, who is CEO Rediff.com. And we have
Okay, how come you guys got this idea of calling all the leaders over here and having, a conversation session?
Yeah, see, this acts as an ideal platform to, it acts as a platform which can act as a bridge for leaders of today as well as leaders of tomorrow to interact, to share their viewpoints regarding what could be the next pillars of Indian economy. The theme which we are discussing today is emerging pillars of Indian economy. So if we look at India and China, so these are the countries which are going to take the word forward. So it acts as an ideal platform for that.
Alright, last question which I would like to ask you, that if you want to tell something to the emerging leaders who are seeing you.
So see, the first point we have to look at this is, now you just have to take a role model, like which could be any of these people. Look at their careers, the kind of careers which they have, and then just flow around with it and have the determination and courage to follow your dreams. That's the way to go about it, I guess.
Thank you so much. As told by Manish, have the determination. If you have it, you'll get it. Bhavna Kapoor, thenewsborn.com, Lucknow.